Wait a while. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's break time, and I got an alert from my phone stating that there is an earthquake nearby me. So I quickly told my student to get under the desk, and then suddenly I felt my table start shaking. So what I did, I wait until it stopped before I get up and I go to the door because I was so frightened. I was so frightened, guys. So guys, after the earthquake, we decided to conduct a earthquake drill with our students because they were terrified. So we're about to conduct that.
So at first you feel the first big shaking, and then after that pass, maybe for the next 10 to 15, even half an hour after, you feel some other little shaking. Sometimes there are sounds, buildings make sounds. So you will hear that sound, you will hear that sound. And it's like things, glasses clinking, that glass or chandelier or something. So these are some things that you can look for. If an earthquake occurs during school time, the students and staff will be required to go under their desk. Right. It is called duck, cover, and hold. So somebody get me a desk, please. The earth begins to shake. There are a series of things that will happen. Put it right in the middle right here, so for me, please, and stay right here. Good? If you are inside the classroom and it happens, maybe nobody is in the office where the clapper is. You see that thing Miss Campbell has in her hand? It's called a clapper. Miss Campbell, could you knock it for them to hear? You hear that sound? Yes. If you should be at school and you hear that sound, this is what you're going to do. You're going to duck, cover, and hold. But you try to turn the other way. Can you notice your back? So if anything drop on the table, it drop on your back. So you try to hide the whole of your body. Your back out and hold. From one side here. Right. And you're going to listen. You're going to hold on to the desk. Hold on to the desk. Right. So it is covering you. Teacher, you say where you're supposed to go. If you can, hold under your desk. Then you go under your desk and do the same.
Me can't hold on that for me.
If you can't do that, teacher, get in a doorway like this. Stand in the doorway like this. Feet planted apart and you hold on like this. You can't do that. So you hold on. You can't do that. Alright? Good. Now listen up. If you can hear me, put your finger on your lips.
Girls, stand together.
Was felt in various parishes across the island of Jamaica, which includes St. James, Westmoreland, St. Anne, Kingston, Trelawney as well. Teachers here actually felt the trauma. You hear that? You hear the sound line quickly. Let me see the hands up. The hands are said, not the mouths. Are the all those who will take up their bags and everything that they have in the classroom and run off. Okay. So all of you, the just open your up If you can hear me clap one time.